before you get your day started, before you get to your to-do list, to your emails, your shoulders are already tensed and up around your ears. We are going to fix that. This practice is going to melt upper body tension, specifically shoulder tension, help us relax, feel more at ease, more open. So if you have a day of sitting or a day of standing, your back is going to feel nice and prepared. We are going to start in a seated position. Seated position, bringing your shins closer and towards your groin for today. We'll start with the left shin in front of the right. Nice tall spine. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears, down the back. And we'll just start here with a few neck rolls. And as you're thinking about taking your neck rolls, think about making a circle with your chin. We'll do 2 in one direction. And really pausing in those moments where you feel the tension. And then switching directions. Bringing the gaze back to neutral, bringing the head back upright. Let's draw the shoulders up towards the ears, but we're going to make fists with our hands. So nice and tight, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And on the exhale, drop them back in heavy. 2 more. Last one. Placing the hands gently onto the knees. From here, sprinkling your right fingertips beside you, making sure that you're tenting your fingertips. You're going to take your left hand onto your right knee and then drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And if you push down and away into your fingers, you'll increase the intensity of the stretch. Gently bring the gaze all the way back up. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Keep your left hand where it is. Bring your right hand onto your left knee. Inhale here. And exhale, drop the knees. Get a nice stretch in those shoulder blades. Inhale to rise. Exhale, drop the knees. Inhale, rise. And exhale, drop the knees. From here, inhale as you release your left hand and sprinkling your left fingertips beside you. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. And again, if you put pressure into your fingertips, push away, increase the intensity of the stretch. Inhale, bring the gaze back upright. Draw the knees in towards your chest. Take your left hand over top the right this time. Inhale, and exhale, drop the knees away. 2 more. Last one. Inhale, release the grip. Both arms come up. Bend the right elbow, so the right palm is just below the nape of your neck. Take your left hand, grab a hold of your right elbow, and pull it to the midline. So you're pulling your elbow right behind your head. Inhale here. Exhale, lean to the left. Making sure you're not collapsing forward. Slight pressure, so you're pushing the skull into your forearm. Keep your right hand where it is. Bring your left fingertips to the floor. Reach over towards the left with your right fingertips. Look underneath the right armpit. Take that right hand, palm faces the back, top of the hand comes to the low back. Draw that shoulder down and away from the ear first, and then drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Just being gentle here. You move the neck, find that sweet spot. Open and close the jaw. Gently rise all the way back up and release the hand from behind you. We'll do that on the other side. You can switch the crossing of the shin just to feel a little bit balanced. Inhale the arms to come up. This time you're bending the left elbow, so the top of the left hand comes just below the neck. Take your right hand and pull that elbow into the midline. Inhale here, nice tall spine. Think about leaning the skull back into the left forearm as you lean to the right. Keep your left hand where it is. Release the right hand. Right hand comes to the floor. Reach with your left fingertips over towards the right as you look underneath the left armpit. Be giving the ceilings a thumbs up. Your left palm, left thumb. From here, windmill your left hand down and around. So the top of your left hand comes to your low back. Draw that left shoulder down and away from the ear first as you drop your right ear to your right shoulder. And just making sure you're not tucking your chin in towards your chest. You're bringing it away from the neck. Again, you can open and close the jaw. Very gently rise all the way up. Release the hand from behind you. From here, bring the soles of the feet to touch. You can bring your feet further away from your groin for this one. Interlacing your hands around your ankles. Inhale and exhale. As you come forward, you were thinking about sticking out your bum, finding a flat back first. You can use your elbows to gently press down on your thighs. You can stay here or extend your arms forward and really allow the head to drop. So especially in the morning time, you might find that as you drop your head, you feel the pull of fascia in the back. From the shoulders to the mid-back. Let's take a nice big inhale here. And sigh it out. Gently walk your hands back in. Lean back, cross the legs, finding any seated position that feels comfortable for you. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale down the back. Finding a nice tall spine. aligning the shoulders or the ears with the shoulders. Just taking a few breaths here to set your intention for the day. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice this morning. I hope you're feeling more relaxed, like a weight has been lifted, and you're ready to tackle whatever it is that you have ahead for your day. If you did enjoy it, leave a comment, let me know how you got on, and I'll see you back for day 4.